Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am your mentor Shikha. Today we will create something for Women's Day. This is what we will create. Before we start, I would request you all to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's start.
So let's make a painting for Women's Day. Before we start, I would request you all to please subscribe our channel Lux on the Trail for all the travel, masti and fun. So let's start. I'm making a very easy and a simple painting for the Women's Day. That's a face of a female. And here we can write down Happy Women's Day. So we are making it in an abstract form. The drawing is done. We need the colors for it. So I'm starting with the skin tone. So I'm taking this flesh tint color and some white color. So I'll be using this color for the skin. So that's the skin color. For the hairs, I'm taking some pink color as I'm making it in a stylized form. We'll add a very little of white color in it so that I don't have any patches while coloring. At times in these special colors we get patches. We'll use a little darker tone for this area. So I'll do that later. Right now I'm using the same color over here. I'll just add a pinch of violet color in this color to give it a depth. For the background color, I'll use the violet color and I'll mix a little bit of white in it to give it a very beautiful effect. So you can see how beautifully the color changes. And we will let it dry. Now with the dark color, I will just add some depth in the hairs. We'll let it dry and then with the help of a marker we'll do the outline, and we'll write down Happy Women's Day. As this area is dry, so I'll write down Happy Women's Day. We'll let it dry, and later on we'll give an outline to it. I'm using a black paint to do the outlining. You can also do it with a marker. So once it's all dry, you can just do the outlining work. As the marker was not looking that good, so I'm just overlapping it with a brush. I know it's not looking that good right now, but I'll just remove the tapes and show you how it will look. So while removing the tapes, at times it does happen, but it's okay. You can patiently remove it. So this is how our Women's Day painting will look. We can even use a white color here to finish it. I'll just do that so that you'll get a fair idea. At times, if you tend to spoil it, how to rectify your thing. Make sure your brush is super clean, or take a fresh brush to do that. Otherwise, we will tend to spoil the whole thing. Because with that brush, I have used the black color, so I'm not using the same brush. So this is our simple and beautiful Women's Day painting.
This is what we have created. I hope you all will create this and share it with us and tag us on our Insta and Facebook page. Do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy and stay safe.